Advanced query on find related parties where some of parties meet transaction conditions. This query trigger enables the user to find companies based on the aggregate value of transactions with the selected related party types for an accounting period. This query trigger is available under Ownership Structure and Governance Indicators section. This information is sourced from the annual reports of companies. Related party transactions disclosure is mandatory for listed companies, banks, financial institutions, companies with sales over 500 million or with a borrowing of over 100 million and their holding companies. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger with the help of an example. Suppose we want to find ITES companies that issued share capital of over 100 million to all excluding key personal and relatives party type for March 2015. To execute this query, you need to follow 8 steps. The first step is to go to Select Companies in Predefined Sets query trigger and select ITES available under Information Technology under Services other than Financial. You can then execute this query by clicking on Send to New OSC under Execute option. After the query is executed, you will see that the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button. The OSC will be generated and will be selected by default. Click on the Continue button to download the output. The current output sheet now contains ITES companies. The second step is to go to the Related Party Transactions query trigger and select the appropriate tab and radio button from the top of the user interface. The radio button Find Related Parties that meet transaction condition has been selected by default. Let us change that selection to Find Related Parties where some of parties meet transaction condition. The tab Query is selected by default, and let us change the same by clicking on Advanced Query. The third step is to select all excluding key personnel and relatives from the list available under Select Party Types. The fourth step is to select the indicator Share Capital Issued during the year available under Total Share Capital. Double-click on the indicator and the expression will get selected in Enter Search Condition box. Against this expression, enter greater than 100. Since the default currency selected is rupees million in the menu bar, this implies 100 million. The fifth step is to enter the appropriate date on which the search should be conducted. L is the default setting which implies searches on the latest year for which information on related party types of the companies is available. Let us enter the date 2015-03 in the Query on Dates box. The date formats used in the Query on Dates are explained in the Help on Dates, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon available just above the Query on Dates box. The sixth step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSC. The domain All Companies will conduct a search over all the companies available in the Provis database. The domain Companies in Current OSC will conduct a filtering on the companies available in the current output sheet. Let us select the domain Companies in Current OSC since we already have ITES companies in the current output sheet. The seventh step is to select the appropriate output destination from Select Output Destination box. There are 3 formats possible. The first is the OSC format, which lists the names of the companies without any additional data. The second output destination is the WS, which is the worksheet, which displays the company names along with its data. The third output destination is the TXT output, which displays the same data as worksheet in a text file. The location and the name of the text file can be changed by you. The default file name is mentioned under File Name. Let us select WS as our output destination. The eighth step is to click on the appropriate execute option to run your query. Since we have selected companies in current OSC as our domain, we can select any one of three execute options. These are add to current WS, send to new WS, and replace current WS. Add to current WS will add the list of companies which have satisfied the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Send to new WS will create a new OSC and WS of companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Replace current WS will replace the contents in the current OSC and WS with the company satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Let us click on Send to New WS. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button. You will see that two outputs, OSC and WS, have been generated and are selected by default in the Output Downloader box. You can click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. Prowess IQ will display the list of ITES companies along with its data which issued share capital of over 100 million to all excluding key personnel and relatives in March 2015. You can click on the Output view to view the selected companies which met the criteria given in the query trigger.